Welcome here on Beyond the Surface. Feel comfortable.
Thanks.
You're welcome. First of all, can you introduce yourself so that the audience can know you better?
Okay. My name is Alfred Chimtokoma. I'm a student at Malawi University of Business and Applied Science. I'm pursuing civil engineering.
All right, young man. Now, can you give us the brief history of Malawi University of Business and Applied Sciences, MUBAS?
Malawi University of Business and Applied Science, MUBAS, is not a national. At first, it was called the Polytechnic College, which was constituted under the University of Malawi since its established in 1965, and it is now changed to Malawi University of Business and Applied Science under the Act of Parliament 19 of 2019. It is now named MUBAS because of current. It is offering various different programs such as engineering, journalism, and education.
All right. That means it gives opportunities to students that want to pursue like journalism, engineering, business administration.
Yeah.
That means it is polled.
Yeah.
Now, what motivated you to choose Malawi University of Business and Applied Sciences?
I chose Malawi University Business and Applied Science because it's the only university that offers civil engineering here in Malawi, and also his conducive environment as well as internship opportunities.
Why civil engineering? What is your ambition to pursue it?
My ambition is to become a leading civil engineer to contribute Malawi's infrastructure growth. This includes water development infrastructures in water boards and transport infrastructures like roads and railway lines and other buildings. This will help to achieve Malawi's 2063 agenda.
So you are helping Chakwera to achieve Malawi 2063 agenda.
MUBAS prepares civil engineering students for industrial demand for academic programs, which includes industrial aligned curriculum, specialization in structure, transportation, water and resources, and also practical experience, which includes lab work and experiments, field trips and site visits, and internships, and project-based learning. We have also industrial partnerships, which includes collaborative research projects, guest lectures from industry expertise, and industry advisory board input. And we have skills development, which includes soft skill training in communication, teamwork, and leadership, computer-aided design, and software skills, and problem solving and critical thinking. MUBAS produce industry-ready graduates with technical expertise, practical experience, soft skills, adaptability, innovative thinking.
So you are vested in soft skills training in communication, teamwork, and leadership.
Yes.
Do you have the capability of leading people out there in the fields?
Yeah, I have.
We know the world is changing rapidly. What are the curriculum updates and industry relevance of civil engineering?
On curriculum updates, there's emphasis on soft skills, which includes communication, teamwork, and leadership. In our days, engineers are encouraged to use softwares that can help them to design roads and other infrastructures. This can help engineers to save their time. On the other hand, we have industry relevance, which includes alignment with industry standards and the best practices. Incorporation of industry-specific software and tools. We have collaboration with industry partners for research and projects. We also have a focus on innovate and cutting-edge technologies.
Alright, so far so good. What are the teaching methods and faculty support so that you can be well trained graduates?
Lecturers use different teaching methods in civil engineering, such as lecture discussion format, problem-based learning, which is PBL, project-based learning, PJBL, and case studies and real world examples.
Like like real world examples. That means like situations of potholes in on roads.
Yes, there's also hand-on laboratory experiments, field trips and the site visits, computer-aided design, which is CAD, and the simulations, collaborative learning and group projects, online resources and learning management systems. On fact support, they provide experienced professors with industry expertise, mentorship programs, and office hours and one-on-one guidance, research opportunities for students, and there's also industry partnership and networking. Uh, we have also continuous professional development, CBD, for faculty and teaching assistants and the peer-to-peer support. Uh, we have also academic advising and the career guidance, support for students with disabilities, and faculty-student interaction outside classrooms.
Alright, so that means the faculty support students interaction. That's
Yeah,
it.
yes, yes.
Alright, fine. Practical and theory are mastered by every student. How does lecturers balance practical and theory so that you as students you should have the general knowledge?
Okay. After classrooms, students are encouraged to go to lab for lab sessions, which includes testing for strength in concrete, uh, testing for bitumen in roads construction, and other many different experiments.
That's nice. That's nice.
Uh,
Alright, we know that nowadays universities are overcrowded than never before. How has overcrowding affected your learning experience?
uh, when class is overcrowded, it is difficult for some students to do some of the experiment during lab sessions. Uh, since the class is too huge, uh, and we use theory-limited materials and equipment, and also it's difficult for some students uh, to get to know what the lecturer are saying when the class is making a lot of noise.
You as Alfred Chimtokoma, have you noticed any significant changes in the faculty or staff?
Yeah, of course. For example, we have changes in curriculum updates, as I mentioned already, faculty involvement, and you have research focus. You also have industry partnerships, teaching methods, student engagement, and the facility resources. These changes ensure the faculty of civil engineering uh, to remain relevant to industry needs, innovate in teaching and research, supportive of student success and uh, collaborative with industry partners, and also to adaptable to emerging trends and technologies.
All right. How do you access to resources and facilities?
Yeah, when resources, student use libraries uh, to access some information, and also use Wi-Fi to download some of the stuffs. Uh, that includes
PDFs,
PDFC and PDFs, and also use of portals to access end of results.
We know that challenges are there indeed. What are the challenges that you face as a civil engineering student?
We as civil engineers, we may face challenges like heavy coursework and assignments, difficult understanding abstract concepts, and balancing theory and practical applications, uh, and also mastering software and tools, understanding building codes and regulations, managing project timelines and deadlines, coordinating team projects and collaborations, staying currently with industry developments, and may also have changes on effective communication and presentation, teamwork and collaboration, conflict resolution and negotiation. Uh, and also we may face challenges on managing stress and pressure, balancing academic and personal life, financial constraints and scholarships, maintaining motivation and focus.
Success stories are pleasant in every field. Are there any notable alumni or success stories from MUBAS?
Yes, we have dear Innocent Kafoja at MUBAS, which he works as an engineer and also as a lecturer at my University of Business and Applied Science.
All right, that means he is helping students in structural department. For a student to pursue a diploma or a degree, he or she has to pay fees through his parents or guardians. What's the historical context of fees increases at MUBAS? And what's the current fee structure and payment options?
Uh, at first, fees at MUBAS was relatively cheap, and many parents were able to provide fees to their students, and the student student accommodation was free. But now things changed a lot in terms of fee structure uh, and the accommodations. Now fees has been increased, so because that many parents and guardians find it difficult to provide fees to their students, and accommodations, and now for accommodations not for free. If you want to live in campus, you need to pay some money,
Which is relatively high.
which is okay, which is relatively high.
And what's
and to live in campus now, you need to pay something, which is more difficult to some of the students to find money for that. And also, in terms of food, it is expensive to buy in the campus at the caves. As you know, most of the things have been changed since from the day one up to now. So there's a lot of changes that has been happening that makes the student to find it difficult to read life at the university. So my concern is about to encourage some of the non-governmental organizations to take part on helping some of the needy students that I find it difficult to provide for their fees, and so that they can achieve their goals, and to provide some of the resources that they are needed in their studies. As you know, in the university, we have a lot of things. We need a lot of resources that can help our studies, our academics, so that we can achieve our goals. Due to high number of students at the university, so many students choose to read outside the campus. So due to insufficient of hostels, many students have decided to live outside the campus. But life outside there is so difficult, and many houses there are at the higher prices. So some of them are not able to find them to pay for their rent, to buy foods, and to buy some of the resources that they are needed. Due to the modernization, fees is paid through the bank accounts rather than hands, like
first wave. Yeah, that's it. Fees now is paid through digital banking. Due to lack of trust waves, maybe the financial secretary can use the money for his personal gains. Now, what are the impacts on students from low income backgrounds?
On impacts, students that didn't finish their school fees, they're not allowed to sit for the end examinations, and therefore they wait until the other year, which is more painful to some of the students regarding of their time consuming.
That's empathetic. All right. Are the fees justified considering the quality of education?
On the quality of education is still the same, regardless of increase in school fees due to the durations of Malawian Kwacha.
Career goals and industry expectations are essential. So you, as Alfred Chimtokoma, a civil engineering student, what are your career goals and industry expectations?
Me, as an engineer, I have many career goals. Firstly, I want to become a new expert in a specific area, and to develop and implement innovative solutions, and to contribute to industry policy and standard development.
That's
On the industry expectations, I have ability to leadership and project management, effective communication and collaborations, and also time management organization that can help the industry in managing and organizing their services and solutions. And also I have continuous learning and professional development.
That's great. Contractors, companies, here you have heard first-hand information that he will be able to manage time and lead the construction team. Now, what advices do you have for incoming civil engineering students?
My advice to the upcoming civil engineers is simple as they need to work extra in different subjects so that they can achieve their goal, and to avoid some of the things that can disturb their studies. To be an engineer, it's not simple as the way the people they think. So you need to have good character. You need to have extra hard. You need to say
Career goals and industry expectations are essential. So you, as Alfred Chimtokoma, a civil engineering student, what are your career goals and industry expectations?
Me as an engineer, I have many career goals. Firstly, I want to become a new expert in a specific area, and to develop and implement innovative solutions, and to contribute to industry policy and standard development. On the industry expectations, I have ability to leadership and project management, effective communication and collaborations, and also time management organization that can help the industry in managing and organizing their services and solutions. And also I have continuous learning and professional development.
That's great. Contractors, companies, here you have heard first-hand information that he will be able to manage time and lead the construction team. Now, what advices do you have for incoming civil engineering students?
My advice to the upcoming civil engineers is simple as they need to work extra in different subjects so that they can achieve their goal, and to avoid some of the things that can disturb their studies. To be an engineer, it's not simple as the way the people they think. So you need to have good and also you should have to attend some of the classes so that you can achieve your goal, and you should avoid the bad things that could really be withdrawn from the campus. And also you need to be transparency and to work extra.
Like practicals and theories, you need to be versed in that areas. And he is saying that you should not drink alcohol during social weekends. Just kidding. People drink. Semester starts from January to May. Yeah, that's too much. 5 months without no BA isn't easy. Alright, now parting thoughts on MUBAS growth. What can you say about MUBAS?
My reflection on MUBA's progress. Uh, there are a lot of frictions. Number one, MUBAS has come a long way since its inceptions, and its growth is a statement to the dedication of its faculty, staff, and its students. Number two, as a civil engineering student, I have witnessed firsthand the expansion of MUBAS infrastructures, curriculums, and research opportunities. And number three, MUBA's commitment to innovations and sustainability has prepared me to tackle a real-world challenges in the field um, of
Engineer.
construction, in engineering, and in building more of the uh, infrastructures concerning about engineering. On the future aspirations, I envision MUBAS becoming a leading institution for engineering and technology driving growth and development in Malawi. Uh, from now, uh, I hope to see MUBAS to collaborate with international partners to bring cutting edges, technologies and expertise to Africa or globally. Uh, MUBA's growth will inspire a new generation of out of engineers and innovators to transform Malawi's infrastructure, economy, and many other innovations.
That's great. That's great. Alright. Is there any personal growth that you have experienced about MUBAS? And what are the challenges and opportunities?
Uh, on my time at MUBAS as an investor, I have equipped me with skills, knowledge, and confidence to pursue my dreams in civil engineering. Uh, the supportive community at MUBAS has helped me overcome challenges and achieve my goals. And also, I'm proud to be part of the MUBAS family and look forward to contributing to its continued growth. Talk about challenges on MUBAS and opportunities. MUBAS faces challenges in resources and infrastructure, but these challenges present opportunities for innovations and creativity. The growth of MUBAS requires collaborations between students, faculty, and industry partners to address real-world problems. I believe MUBAS will continue to thrive by embracing technology, sustainability, and community engagement.
What are your final thoughts?
On my thoughts, MUBAS growth is a journey, not a destination. I'm excited to see what the future holds. As I graduate, I'm grateful for the foundation MUBAS has provided and look forward to make a positive impact on my career. MUBAS will always be part of me, and I will carry its values of excellence, innovations, and community services with me.
That's a great story from a young civil engineering student pursuing diploma in civil engineering at Malawi University of Business and Applied Sciences, MUBAS. To conclude, thank you for joining us on this episode of Beyond the Surface about diving into the world of civil engineering with Alfred Chimtokoma. From the challenges of infrastructure development to the trumpets of innovative designs, we explored the complexities and rewards of building a better future. Remember that civil engineering is not just about constructing bridges and buildings. It's about connecting people, communities, and environments. It's about creating a foundation for growth, sustainability, and progress. Before you go, take a moment to reflect on the world around you. Notice the structures that shape your daily life, the roads, bridges, and buildings that connect you to Earth. Remember the engineers who designed, built, and maintain them. Thanks to Alfred Chimtokoma for sharing his insights and inspirations. Join us next time on Beyond the Surface as we explore more stories of innovation, resilience, and human connection. Thanks for your time, man.
Uh, you are most welcome. You are most welcome, my friend. And it was it was good time to talk to you. It was a good time to speak with you to share some ideas on civil engineering and some of the problems that my fellow engineers are facing
That's true.
out of this world, and the solutions that engineers can make to improve our country, so that our country and our generation, our incoming generation, should live a well standard life.